Feeling overwhelmed by your to-do list? Let's transform that chaos into calm with Asana, your personal productivity powerhouse. First, navigate to the My Tasks section. This is your command center, showing everything assigned to you. Prioritize like a pro. Drag and drop tasks into today to focus on what's urgent, upcoming for this week, and later for less immediate items. This visual organization is key. Set realistic due dates. Click on a task and use the calendar to assign a clear deadline. This adds accountability and prevents last-minute scrambles. Break down big tasks into manageable subtasks within each task. Add smaller, actionable steps. Check them off as you go to visualize your progress and stay motivated. Keep an eye on your progress. Asana's Progress tab offers a bird's-eye view of your completed and remaining tasks. This helps you stay on track and adjust your workload as needed. And that's it. With these simple steps, Asana becomes your ultimate time management tool, boosting your productivity and reducing stress. Subscribe for more Asana tips and tricks.